welcome to Social Club Cafe.
I think you saw got a map or something.
Sorry, is it hard to find our cafe?
Um, because I keep getting lost in your eyes.
Oh my god. Okay. Hello.
Can I join a pickup line challenge?
Yeah, sure, I can.
Wait, you look pretty today. Your clothes very simple, okay?
Aw, thank you.
Yeah.
Hello, welcome to Social Club Cafe. What's your English? Can I get you something? Coffee or non-coffee?
I want one espresso.
One espresso? Okay. Here's your espresso.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You know something?
What?
Why this coffee can be there?
Why is it?
Because the things are just in
Oh, thank you.
Hello,
Hello.
hi. I wanna join pickup line challenge this coffee shop.
Yeah, sure you can.
But I have a question for you.
What is it?
I see in this coffee shop there is a menu many country like America, France, Japanese. So what about you? Where are you from? I thought you are from Syria.
No, I'm not. I'm from Indonesia.
Oh, because I want you seriously in my life partner.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay.